Welcome to the List Help videos. This video will show you how to get started using LISTdata. LISTdata is the metadata portal for the LIST, the Land Information System Tasmania. It facilitates the discovery and reuse of Tasmanian spatial information. Metadata is the information that defines and describes data. It provides users with information about the purpose, processes, and methods involved in the data collection and enables the user to make an informed decision about whether the data are fit for the required purpose. Here you can see an example of the metadata record for cadastral parcels, which delineate property boundaries in Tasmania. In the metadata record, you will find information like the creation date, description, category, keywords, access constraints, and the contact details for the creator or custodian of the data or service. All data and services available via the list should have an accompanying metadata record. There are a number of different ways to start searching for data and services. You can search by text by clicking in the Search by Text bar, typing any keywords, and then pressing Enter or clicking on the magnifying glass. This will take you to a results page. You can browse by category by clicking on a category that you're interested in, which also takes you to a results page. You can search by location by selecting an area by clicking on the Draw Rectangular Box tool in the map on the right. Click and drag a box around an area you're interested in, and then click on the magnifying glass in the text search box. When you do a map search, the map viewer is automatically opened. It will show you your selected area in red and the extent of the results in orange. You can also search by a combination of text and location. Finally, you can click on the Custom Search button to build your own search. This may be useful if you have used the site before or if you are trying to find specific records. You may also like to check out our How to Customize Your Searches in LISTdata video for more detailed instructions for searching LISTdata. Click on the link top right of screen to view that now. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.